So today's breakfast was a tad elaborate. I had a strawberry smoothie. My mom was actually really nice and made this for me again. Strawberry smoothie, and then we had the same egg omelet that I always do. Then I just threw in with that some homemade applesauce. I was trying to have a hearty breakfast. I don't really know why, but we just did today. So that was breakfast. So that was really, really good. All right, so it's Saturday, December 8th. Yeah, I ended last night on a really depressing note. And good news, kind of. I mean, the vet last night, thankfully, they came to a different conclusion. But at first, they wanted to, the vet wanted them to put him to sleep, and they didn't listen. They decided to give us more time. And thankfully, they ended up transferring him to a different vet office. Like, it's still part of the same group. This is like a hospital type thing. And they ran more tests, and they found out he has pancreatitis, which is due to the diabetes that he has. And also something with ketoacidosis in his body that's not supposed to be there or something. So they're going to treat him at this hospital for a few days, which is in Columbus. So we're actually going up there today because they have really weird hours for visiting, but we're going to do that. And I'm going to take you along with me. It's really hard when you're traveling with eating. That's been a major issue today. So I'm going to try Chipotle, and I'm really, really scared, honestly, because I haven't had it since November, like before I had like my procedure and everything, and before I even found out about the whole Crohn's situation. But it is organic, and I'm gonna try to take it really, really safe. I'm praying it doesn't cause me issues, because I've had rice already, I've had cheese, and I've had sour cream, and obviously I've had chicken. It's just I don't know what they put in their stuff. It's supposed to be all organic, so we're gonna try that out, and we're gonna hope it all goes well today. So I'm gonna keep you posted, and hopefully it all goes as planned. But the cat should be okay. They said that they're gonna treat him for a few days, and then we should be able to take him home. So it's what their prognosis is or whatever. So that is definitely good news. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on what I do for the rest of the day. We do have that Christmas party tonight, and that we're still gonna go, I think, but it kind of threw a wrench in our plans. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out something to take to the party after we get home from Columbus, which is barely any time. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and I'll keep you posted along the way. We stopped up at Chipotle, and here's what I did. As you can see, there's little caplet things. Those are just some vitamins that I'm taking right now, so that's why you see those. I had just white rice with chicken, which was a bit risky because it was pretty spicy, but it all, you'll hear in a little bit how it all reacted. Cheese, sour cream, and some guac. And a tiny, tiny little bit of black beans. I was really scared of those, but that's what I had. And with that, I paired in some Simple Truth organic white corn tortilla chips. Those are always been safe for me, and they're really good with Chipotle. So I had that for lunch, and now I'm just going to show you. I did a little bit of videotaping around the streets of Columbus with a lot of the Christmas decorations and just some cool places we passed. So I'm going to throw it in there. Maybe you've never seen Columbus, I don't know. Here's, I will show you a little bit of that. It's not very long, so if you're bored with it, it won't be too long, but I just thought I'd throw it in there. Wouldn't be a Saturday without me stepping foot in a Kroger somewhere. Doesn't matter where I'm at, I'm always at a Kroger. So that's what's going on now.
You to log in. Place empty bags in the cart, and you're ready to shop.
Never seen this before. This thing is really interesting.
Scan the product you're buying. Press scan/enter on the handheld and point it at the UPC barcode.
We don't have this kind of stuff in Zanesville. Alright, keeping it real. Trying to prep for this Christmas party tonight. Didn't even know Simple Truth made chips like this, but I don't know. That's what we're going to do. Scan, bag, and go. Apparently what you do is you go through the store, you scan all the items, and you just scan the barcode with your device. It brings up everything, which is really cool, I guess. That's interesting, but I'm not really sure. In theory, would it save you much time from just using self-checkout? I don't know. But it is a cool alternative, so I just thought that was interesting that Kroger had that option available. Alright, so we are at the animal hospital place now, and we're going to go in a few minutes. It doesn't, like, we can't go. The visiting hours don't start till 4 or something, so we're going to go in and see the cat for a little bit, and then we're going to go the hour back to home, and then get everything together really quick and go to the Christmas party at 6. So there's kind of a busy night ahead. But yeah, we made it to this animal hospital in Columbus. Yeah, we made it here, and that's what we're gonna do now. Alright, so we just left the hospital for animals or whatever. That's what you call it, right? I don't know, hospital. And he's actually doing pretty well, and responding well to all the treatment. I showed you the picture. You'll have seen that before all this. So they actually wound up taking the cone off for a little bit to make him a little bit more comfortable, but he was doing all right with it on, and he responded well to the visit and everything. So yeah, now we're just heading back home, and we are going to go to the Christmas thing tonight. So that's what we're going to do now, and we're just going to travel back home, and I will show you what I'm eating at the party. In all honesty, I'm probably not going to vlog at the party. I mean, I'll take some pictures. I'm not going to like whip out my camera and start talking, because I don't know, a lot of those family members don't even know about the YouTube thing, so I'm not just going to randomly start talking on camera at their house. But I probably will take some pictures like I did at Thanksgiving. So yeah, that is all for this moment, and you will see, probably next time you'll see me getting ready for the party. So, as you can see, here are all the organic ingredients I made to do my sandwich, which you'll hear me talk about how I thought about it later, but I used the Simple Truth white bread, Simple Truth turkey breast, Simple Truth cheese, and Hellmann's organic mayonnaise. Here's my plate at the party, and I made some brownies. I talked about that yesterday out of that cookbook that we got for the Crohn's diet or whatever, and those have always gone over really good, and they taste really good. So I had those in addition to this. But this is my main plate tonight. I'm not gonna lie, it was really, really difficult to eat this when everyone else had their, like, caramel Heath bar chocolate cake thing that was there, and a bunch of fried stuff, but you know what? It was worth it to not have health issues, and this was pretty good. But obviously, it was hard to sit there and eat this when everyone else was having better stuff. But yeah, I dealt with it. All right, just want to finish out tonight's vlog. It was actually a really, really good time at the party. I originally talked about how nervous I was about it, but it actually was awesome. And I'm here with a really, really good report. Chipotle went, and I'm pretty positive I would have known by now. Everything at Chipotle went perfect. I've not had any symptoms. It actually felt normal again, and that was awesome. Now, I did have to make some skips at Chipotle, which was hard because I'm that type of person who wanted the lettuce. And that sounds crazy because most young people don't want vegetables. Like, they're like, why would I want? Mostly the young people I know don't even want vegetables, but I wanted the vegetables. But it's a no-no. I love the corn, I would love the lettuce, I would love the salsa, but I just didn't want to do too much at once. And I think what I did today really, really helped. So I did Chipotle, we went up to Columbus and went to the vet hospital for the cat, and Noah's doing really good. And we're just going to keep praying it all continues to work good. The doctor said he's making great, or the tech, we saw a tech today, but they said he is making really, really good progress. And last night the vet on duty wanted them to put him down. So I am so glad that they actually transferred him to a different place, and this is a more skilled place, I guess. And they have been working really hard for him, and he's doing really good. Now, he's 10 times better than yesterday. One of the vets said yesterday, if you wouldn't have brought him up, he wouldn't have made it through the night. So thank God they decided to take him up to Columbus and get him checked out. So they're suspecting it's going to be a couple of days in the hospital, and then they're going to bring him home. So, he got really, really happy when he saw, especially my mom. Him and my mom are so close. He really, really depends on her and loves her. I mean, he loves me too, but he didn't get very excited over me. But he got really excited over my mom. So, yeah. We're actually going to go to Columbus. I believe at some point tomorrow we're going to go back up there and see the cat again. And I'll vlog that, of course. Today you got to see some sights and sounds or whatever of Columbus. I showed you some videos. I thought that scan bag and go thing at Kroger was so cool. I wish I could have done it, but I didn't because we weren't getting very much. And I still wish I would have just done it anyways. But the gist of it. But in reality, if any of you have scan bag and go, let me know. I don't know if it saves that much time or not. But yeah, scan bag and go. I don't know if it saves much time because you don't go through the store scanning everything as you pick it up with that handheld scanner. I don't know. Maybe it would save time. I'm not really sure. I just don't know why at that point you just wouldn't go through self-check. I'm not sure though. Maybe it does save time. I didn't have the time to I didn't personally try it. I wish I would have. We don't have anything like that around here in Zanesville. We were like one of the last ones around here to ever get ClickList, which was mind-boggling to me because everywhere else had it. And we were just like, oh, we don't have ClickList. But it's finally here. So maybe we'll eventually get the scan bag and go program. And another interesting thing, me and Amy were DMing on Instagram a couple days ago. Kroger and Walgreens are teaming up in Kentucky, which I know there's quite a few of you from Kentucky, and they're going to have 13 Walgreens. They're going to have Kroger. Kroger's going to have a section in the Walgreens store with a lot of their Simple Truth products and the what else? Produce, and they're going to have a third of the Walgreens store is going to be Kroger operated products, which I think is so weird because in Kentucky, Kroger's already got a presence. Kroger's there. Kroger's in Kentucky all over the place, just like they are in Ohio. I don't know. Interesting. But yeah, today went really, really well. I'm so happy everything went over well. Ad preview is on the way for Kroger. It should be up tonight, I promise. I'm so sorry. We left here at about 1 o'clock, went to lunch, went to Columbus, came back home, had 20 minutes at home, went to the Christmas party, and just got back home at 10:30. So yeah, non-stop today. And tomorrow, I didn't even have time. I wanted to set up my planner because I just like having a clear picture. I'll have to do that tomorrow. And I'll have to cut coupons tomorrow too. Oh my gosh, there's just so much to do. But yeah. Blessed though. I am so blessed. So I just wanted to preface that. So tomorrow's Sunday, like I said, church, and eventually go see the cat at some point. I don't know. I will just vlog tomorrow again like I did today. I know today might have been a tad boring, but it was a good day. I had conquered milestones. Today was a milestone for me, being able to go to Chipotle and not have problems. It would have come on. I know the problems would have started by now. There's no way. There's no way that I wouldn't have already had the symptoms of, just this whole thing. So clearly my body, the inflammation has come down so much. I have been able to add some things back in. So I finally found a place that works for me and that doesn't flare me up. So yeah, really happy about that. And I went to the Christmas party. You saw that. Now I'm not gonna lie, I had everything there on that table I couldn't have except for some cantaloupe and a little bit of watermelon. With it, I picked the seeds out. There was nothing else on that table that I could eat, so I had to make the decision to bring my own stuff, and that's totally fine. You know what? I'm glad I did it. Was it the best thing? Would the things on that table have been better? Absolutely. But what's more important at the end of the day? Having some temporary pleasure from good food and having the symptoms all night long, or having something a little bit more bland, but not going to harm me. And that's what I would rather have tonight. I was able to just enjoy myself. I wasn't having to have my problems. I wasn't in pain or anything. I was able to just relax. We ended up playing Monopoly Cheaters Edition, which that was a lot of fun. But it's not what I expected honestly. It was fun. It's definitely not what I thought it was going to be. It's not really like regular Monopoly all that much. But that was a lot of fun, so we enjoyed doing that tonight. That was what we did tonight. So, yeah, Kroger ad preview. I'm going to do it tonight. And the coupon insert preview, I really want to do it. Last night just really kind of got out of control. My friend, I had the accounting test, and then my friend texted me and said she wanted to talk on the phone. So I decided I was going to do that, and then it wound up being 10:30, and then I found out about Noah, honestly, so I just didn't get around to doing the coupon insert preview video. So I don't honestly even know what's coming tomorrow. I guess I'll just have to look when I get the inserts in the morning. But yeah, I'm going to cut the vlog short here. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to edit this, upload it, and then I'm going to go do the ad preview. And I got to be up early for church, but I can already tell it's going to be a late night because got a lot to do, and I'm not tired. Like, I'm not tired at all right now. I'm horrible about that. I will literally get these bursts of energy at like 12 in the morning, and I got to get stuff done. That's when I do it. It's awful, but 12 a.m., that's when I start working. Like the other night, I just came upstairs to my bedroom, and it was just like, I'm going to clean this now. Like, it was a mess. I was like, I'm going to clean this room right now. I don't know why. I just finally had the burst of energy to do it in the middle of the night, and I did it. And I was up late getting stuff done, but that's what I did. So, yeah, that is what I probably will do tonight, is be up kind of late, but it's good to get stuff done. So, yeah, that is all I have for now. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and thank you so much for watching.